I had Elon's number, but I lost it. Otherwise, I'd just text him and find out if I stand a chance. I was wondering if you could deliver one here in Darlington, South Carolina.
Come here.
Bruno ate the Starlink cord in half. Just right here. Just had nothing else to do. It's probably a shielded protective cable, but it's worth a try because it's not any good like it is. Oh Jesus. It's got 4 twisted pairs. I wonder if I should unplug it. It's worth a try on all quarters. Then twist them together and then tape it up. So I know a little secret. I'm being tricked. Your fingernails, if you get them just right, you can use them as wire strippers. I just had my nails done, so of course that's why it's working. Unbelievable, Bruno. What do you have to say for yourself? I'm sure that Elon doesn't have this repair video online, but I'll be posting this if your dog eats your cord in half and this actually numerically works. My Starlink booting back up again. Right here, white and maybe brown. Don't have any connectors, so I'll give it the old twist. I like to bend them over sometimes, you know, bending them over is good. I gotta find some electrical tape. Well,
Will the TV work tonight?
I don't know. Let's see what happens. Talk to me, dog. What do we got? Online it says.